Hey, grade fives. All right, so we're in the wetlands unit, and we're really lucky that we live in an area where we actually can go to wetlands and discover them firsthand. So right in between, I want to start this lesson off because we're going to be I would start this lesson off with a little tour around our local area, okay? Because right now we've done sort of an overview already of what the lands are, what an ecosystem is, some of the plants and the animals in there, different types of wetlands. And we're going to sort of do a little bit more of a deep dive into the plants and the animals that live in wetlands. Okay? So half of you guys are in Pinter Creek, half of you guys are in the Carson Pass, and right kind of in between both of those places is Beauvais Lake, and it is the most incredible wetland space to just go and check out. So if you're interested in actually going to a wetland and seeing it firsthand, definitely you can take a day trip out there, and there's like a trail that walks the whole way around the lake, and you can at the east end of the lake is it's there's like a little bridge that kind of walks right out, and you're kind of like right in that area where it feels like it's half land, half water, where the reeds and the grasses are poking out of the water, and you can see the fish and you can see some of the birds there. It's fascinating, you guys. It's really cool to actually be able to take your education outside. So if you have access to getting yourself to Beaver Mines, I highly recommend it. Or not Beaver Mines, I'm sorry, Beauvais Lake is the one that I was talking about, but there's lots of different ones around. So today we're talking all about the plants and the animals in the wetlands, okay? So your task today is there's a little funny rap video that I posted right below this video. Have a look at that video, and as you're watching it, start to pay attention to the different types of plants and the animals that you see in your jot notes from before, one of the very first assignments, you probably already researched a few plants and animals that you find in the wetlands. So you can go back to that. I've also attached two documents, one that's all different types of plants that's got interesting facts about them, one that's all different types of animals, it's got interesting facts about those. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a class Jamboard, kind of like how we did in the beginning of the year with ourselves. So every person on your page, you're going to highlight one plant and one animal that's found in the wetlands. And for your animal and for your plant, I want you to put three interesting facts about both of them, okay? As well as including a picture of that plant or that animal. Alrighty? See if you can do different than what other people are doing. You can display it on your page however you like. Yeah, and at the end of it, we're going to have this huge sort of like flowing sort of book or online book of all different types of plants and animals found in wetlands. And if you can, just for a challenge, get specific of where, like you might choose wetland, like a wetland animal that is not necessarily in Canada. If that's something that you choose, make sure that you put where that wetland animal is found, but try to stick to Canadian wetland animals if you can. Alrighty, there you have it. Have fun. I'm looking forward to seeing how it turns out.